Okay, I'm Mr. Banda, and this is a continuation of the video that we had last time. So today we are going to solve questions under arithmetic progression. So the first question reads, find the next three terms in the following sequence. So I've been given this sequence, which starts with 9 and then 18 going to infinity. So we're saying we should find the next three terms in this sequence. So according to what we talked about last time, we said an arithmetic progression is simply a sequence in which the term is formed by adding a constant amount to the previous sequence. So what we mean is, what we have here, this is 9. How did we form 12? We added a 3 to 9 to get what? 12. And what did we do to get 15? We added a 3 to 12 to get 15. That is the same. We added also a 3 to get what? 18. So we are saying the common difference that we have here is 3. So for us to find the next three terms, meaning we have to add 3 to 18. So when we add 3 plus 18, what are we getting? We are getting 21. So meaning the first term we have found it is 21. Now how do we get the other term? We are going to add 3 to 21 and you have what? 24. We'll do the same. We'll add 3 to 24 to get the last term that we are looking for. So 3 plus 24 we are getting what? 27. So meaning on part 1, question 1, we are done. Now let us pay attention as we are solving question number 2. So for us to solve question number 2, there is a formula that is going to guide us. So the formula is a formula that we use to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So this is the formula. We are saying t to the sub n is equal to a plus b, then the bracket n minus 1, and then you multiply by t. So let us get to understand what the formula means. So the number n here represents the position of the number that we want to find. Again, a represents the first term in the sequence. That's the same. N represents what? The position of the number that we want to find. And then D represents the common difference. So now let us see how we can solve the second question. Okay. So to solve the second question, let us read the question first. So the question is, find the 37th term in a sequence. So this is the sequence that you have been given. What is our first term here? So we can see that our first term is what? 16. Now let us find the common difference. So let us write the formula down. So solution for part 2. So now we are saying t, the sub n, is equal to what? A plus n minus 1, then this d, which is the common difference. So let us put the things that we need here. So let us gather data first. Okay. So what is our first term in this sequence? So you can see that our first term is what? 16. So we are saying A is equal to what? 16. Okay, now what is a common difference? What is our common difference? So for us to find the common difference, we can subtract 7 minus the previous term, which is 16. So we are saying 7 minus 16, which is equal to negative 9. This will be our what? Our common difference. So this simply means that our d, which stands for common difference, is equal to what? Negative 9. Okay. So since we know that we have to find the 37th term, automatically we know to say a will be equal to what? 37. Okay. So now let us solve. So we are going to put the things that we have in the formula to get what? The 37th term. So this is what we are going to do. Let me just create space here. So we are saying Tn, we know to say n represents what? The 37th term, that's what we find. So what is our first term? We found our first term to be 16 here. Okay. And then we add plus. What is the term? The position of the term that we want to find. We are saying it is what? 37. So write 37 here. Then minus 1. What is our common difference? we found our common difference to be negative 9. So meaning we are going to put negative 9 here. Okay. So from here, let us calculate. So we have 16 plus, when we subtract 37 minus 1, we are going to get what? 36. Okay. So now, let us multiply. There is negative 9 here. So now let us multiply 36 times 9. Okay. So we're saying 36 times 9. What are you going to get? Okay, for easy calculations, let us use the calculator. So we're saying 36 times 9. It is giving us what? 324. So meaning we have 16 minus, because this is negative, when you multiply, you are supposed to get what? Negative 324. Okay, now let us subtract. So when you subtract 16 minus 324, the figure that you are going to get will be negative 308. So from this point, this will be our what? Our 37th term of this given sequence. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.